Join me in this visualization. Close your eyes and imagine with me. It's a beautiful day and winter is at its end. 2 more days and it will officially be spring. The weather up till today has been in the 20s and 30s and 40s. But today it's about 68 degrees and the sun is shining and casting its warmth on the ground. The sky is blue and the clouds are white and fluffy, slowly floating through the air. I'm surrounded by trees. They're not green yet because spring hasn't quite reached us. They're still brown and empty from winter, but spring is definitely in the air. And I feel a warm breeze, and I hear birds singing their tunes, tossing them into the air like music. I'm walking through some woods and I pass a stream and I can hear it trickling over the rocks. And I love streams. And I stop and I watch it flowing. Peacefully, just flowing gently over the rocks. I see little sticks being captured by the water and floating down the stream. There's a freshness in the air, like it knows that spring is coming. And maybe that's what the birds are singing about. And I stand here for a moment and just take it all in on this beautiful day that to me is a gift from God. And it seems like it's only for me in this moment. I'm a person that really enjoys the warmer weather. I tend to get cold in the winter. So this time of year is very calming, and I look forward to it, where I come out of hibernation and enjoy nature so much more. And I continue on walking along the side of this stream. And I'm looking ahead and I see someone coming towards me. But this person is too far away right now for me to make out who it is. I feel the breeze against my face and my hair blowing slightly off of my forehead. And I strain to look ahead to see who this is. And the closer I get, I see that it's the Lord. It's Jesus. And I'm so excited. He's here. He met me here. And I pick up my pace, and so does he. And he spreads out his arms, and I can see his white robe draped under his arms as he raises them, and a tie around his waist, and brown sandals on his feet. And I see his tanned skin and his brown hair and his beautiful eyes. And I run towards him, and he runs towards me. And we meet, and I jump into his arms. And I wrap my arms around his neck, and he lifts me, and he holds me tight. And I instantly feel loved, received, known, accepted, seen, and safe. And I just hang on to him, and he holds me, and we don't let go. And I want to cry, and I want to laugh. And he spins me around, and we both laugh. And he puts me down, and he grabs my hands, and we pull apart holding hands, and we just look at each other and smile. And I am so happy and grateful for this moment. He takes my hand, and he walks along the stream with me, back in the direction that I came from. And I wonder why we're going back this way. But I just go with him, because I trust him. And we talk, and we laugh, and I just feel safe. And favored that he would come to me. And we continue to walk along the river. And up ahead I see some hills and the sun beginning to set. And we find a spot to sit and face the sun. And we sit quietly And he puts his arm around me. And he pulls me towards him. And I put my head on his chest. I can still hear the river and feel the warm breeze. And I can see the sun setting over the hills. And I just rest in his arms, perfectly peaceful and filled with a joy like I've never known. Thank you for joining me for this visualization with Jesus. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you.